In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix spacing in OneNote. First, let's start by opening OneNote. You will see the familiar interface that allows you to create and organize your notes effectively. This is where you can keep track of your ideas, tasks, and important information. Opening OneNote is the first crucial step because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Once OneNote is up and running, you are ready to tackle any spacing issues you might be experiencing. Next, select the text with the spacing problem. This is important because you need to identify the specific text that requires adjustment. Using your mouse or keyboard, highlight the affected text. You will know you have selected the right area when it changes color or highlights. Being precise in your selection ensures that only the necessary changes are made. It saves you time and helps maintain the overall format of your notes. Now click the Home tab. This tab is usually located at the top of the OneNote window. The Home tab houses all the essential formatting tools you will need to adjust your text. Once you click on it, you will see various options for changing the appearance of your notes. Accessing the Home tab is a crucial step because it gives you the tools necessary to fix your spacing issues effectively. From there, click Clear All Formatting if the spacing is caused by unwanted formatting. This option is a lifesaver for many users. It removes any inconsistent formatting that may have been applied to the text, such as font changes, color variations, or unwanted spacing. After clicking this option, you will notice that your text returns to its default format, which often resolves spacing issues. You will see a significant improvement in how your notes appear. If you have extra blank lines, place your cursor on the empty line and press backspace. This action is straightforward but essential. By doing this, you can quickly remove any unnecessary spaces that disrupt the flow of your notes. You will see the extra line disappear as soon as you press backspace, giving your document a cleaner look. This small adjustment makes your notes more readable and professional, which is important for effective communication. Next up, press Enter only once between paragraphs. This practice is key for maintaining proper spacing and structure in your notes. It helps create a clear distinction between different ideas or sections without overwhelming your reader with excessive space. When you press Enter just once, you ensure that your notes are concise and well organized. This attention to detail enhances the clarity of your notes, making them easier to navigate and comprehend. Through these simple yet effective steps, you can easily fix spacing issues in OneNote. Each action is designed to streamline your notes and improve their overall presentation. Remember, keeping your notes well organized not only aids in your personal productivity but also enhances the readability for anyone else who may view them. With that ready, you can now enjoy a more polished and professional appearance in your OneNote documents. Thank you for following along, and happy note-taking!